Ishan, good morning.
Morning.
What's up? Hey, Shah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Isha.
Listen, I've seen 4 episodes of the show, Perks of My Job, and I'm going mental. Like, what's happening? Yeah, like y'all are killing it.
We're having a bit of fun. Yeah, it's a fun show. Glad to hear that. Thank
Loved
you.
it, loved it, loved it. Also, I have to take a moment and say that you are serving looks. I think you've heard that enough from all of us at the trailer launch as well. But what my question is, how long did you take to like sort of prep into that whole abs, bro?
It took a lot of work. I try to kind of, train for lifestyle in general. I'm a dancer, so movement is a part of who I am. But the role had written into it quite a bit of pizzazz, and they needed me. I mean, the first page is literally me on a horse.
Yeah.
No shirt.
We know.
For no good reason. But
all the good reasons.
We'll take it.
Listen, if I had an opportunity, I would have made sure this interview was you without anything. I mean,
jeez.
The shirt, t-shirt. But okay, we're looking at your looks right now. Hi, what are you wearing? He sounds like
I think my team is going to make sure that I'm layered.
They'll all chuck me out.
Safe and layered. This is how they keep me in control. They give me lots of options, as you can see. So it's left or right today.
Oh, what
and
are you
picking? I think we're gonna go with what's on this side, right? We're wearing what? Velvet Studio.
Why are you giving him so much clothes? Like, why? Don't you want us journalists to have a great time when we're conversating with him?
Then you get the show for it.
That's it.
You know what's great about interviews is you can cut.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna throw my shirt on and see you on the other side.
Okay, great. We'll see you on the other side.
See you in a minute.
What's up? The perks of a cut. We're back. But okay, Ishan, while you're getting dressed, I want to ask you, if I were to ask you, what's the most royal thing about you, not Aviraj, what would that be?
The most royal thing about me?
Yeah.
I think actors kind of, get royal treatment pretty often. You have, a set of people who make sure you look amazing and your life is easier and you don't have to remember which direction to walk in or things as such.
What's there?
This is my, our buddy, our shoe horn that can be used for multiple things. Usually for putting shoes on, but sometimes when people don't behave, you get one nice little fart. It's for me usually, when I'm like 5 minutes late or something, which I think at the moment we are. I'm getting looks from my manager.
Hurry up. This is taking too much time.
You got to rapid fire this.
Oh my god. Okay, cool. So let me do this very real quick. If you were to pick Ishan between 6-pack abs and 6 text messages from your crush, what would you choose?
Of course, 6 text messages from your crush.
Yeah, you're okay to let go of the body that we're all ruling on?
For a little while.
Chalega. It's completely okay. Okay, tell me something. If Aviraj was on a dating app, what would his bio read?
Aviraj?
Yeah.
I don't think Aviraj would have a bio. I think he wouldn't need one. It would just say, Aviraj Singh, Maharaja of Morpur.
That's it.
That's it.
Oh, mama. And then the photo with the horse. I think that
photo with the horse.
Photo with the horse is going to be on the. Yeah. Okay, I also want to ask you a little bit about if there was something that you could really steal from the palace of Morpur, who or what would that be?
Who or what would that be? Who? I would steal Majisa, Zeenat ji.
Oh yeah.
100%.
And is there something that you want to steal from the palace?
Something I want to steal from the palace. Probably. I mean, again, it's not a thing. Probably one of the horses. My horse in the show Khan.
And what about coffee?
Coffee was actually not coffee. Coffee was Rani or something.
Oh, okay.
In real life. But yeah. Coffee. That horse I wouldn't want to steal. That horse almost killed me.
Almost killed you.
So yeah.
Oh, like in reality while you were shooting?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, crazy.
That was a film horse and we had to do about 35-40 takes of sprinting on that horse. And it tried its level best to take me out that day. No. I think we were running like the wind, galloping like the wind.
Oh, damn.
But luckily managed to stay on for most of it.
Okay, I know you're getting super late, but before you go, I have to ask you, between slow burn romance and love at first sight, what's your pick?
Between slow burn romance and love at first sight, I would pick slow burn because I think that things that take time last longer.
Great. Okay, one word for royals.
One word for royals.
Other than the word royal.
Bingeable.
Yes, we agree. We're all like stuck right there with that. Character had a signature dish.
Signature dish?
Which one would it be?
It would be a royal mess, that's for sure. I have a sweet tooth in real life. I don't think Aviraj does. So it would be something spicy. I think it would be, I'm not a red meat eater. I'm not a meat eater, but I think it would be like a lal mas or something like that.
Did you try to like figure out what's the commonality between you and Aviraj? Like, is there any at all?
Not many. I think there are, certain, emotions that I felt I could draw from my own self. But beyond that, I don't think there was much from my life that I could relate to with Aviraj. I think most of it was alien. I neither have I been privy to or grown up around royal families, nor have I had a foreign education or spent a significant amount of time overseas. I haven't been a polo player or a horse rider since I was a kid. I hopefully haven't tried to escape my emotional problems like Aviraj does. So actually, not much. It was work.
Oh, damn. Do you
Yeah.
want to go sit there at the chair while you get like your hair and all done?
Sure.
Okay. So while I was watching the show, I wanted to also ask you, like, Aviraj gets so much female attention. I'm sure Ishan's getting that too. How good or bad are you with female
A
attention?
little bit.
Listen, you're getting a lot, we know it. Come on,
I'm-
have you opened your Instagram and checked it?
I feel flattered, but I'm a bit shy. I think I've started to realize that I'm a bit shy, and I'm trying to do well with it, but not great with compliments in general. So
Yeah, I can
working
see.
on it.
Like, you're really like, yeah, okay, cool, whatever.
Working on
that.
it.
But Aviraj was damn chill, though. So maybe that's the only difference.
Works for being a Maharaja and all. No?
Ah, great, dude. Like, that's fun. Okay, last thing before I let you go. If you were supposed to get ready for, say, like an event or a red carpet, what would be your royal fashion accessory?
My royal fashion accessory at a red carpet. I'm really trying to come up with a good one here. I think for me, a royal fashion accessory, what comes to mind is I actually recently did a red carpet for the Indian International Film Festival, IFFI. And I didn't have, what do you call them? Cuffs. I didn't have cuffs for a shirt that I was wearing. And my mom took out her earrings and gave them to me as cuffs.
Oh,
So that's
wow.
the coolest, I think, accessory that I've ever worn. I would call
Yeah.
that a royal accessory.
Indeed, that is definitely super royal. Love it. Super. Aishan, thank you so much for chatting. I'm going to see you super soon. Have a
Thank you so
great
much.
day ahead.
Thank
and I'm
you.
going to leave you with your lovely team right here.
Cheers. Thanks.
Bye. Cheers.